Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn graphic design at home online. First, focus on understanding fundamental design principles. Next, explore the vast array of online resources available, from free tutorials to structured courses. Remember, consistent practice is key to developing your skills and building a strong portfolio. This guide will help you navigate your learning path effectively. To begin, familiarize yourself with essential graphic design software. Industry standards include Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, which offer powerful features. If you're on a budget, free alternatives like GIMP and Inkscape are excellent starting points. A reliable computer is crucial, and consider a graphics tablet for more precise work, especially for illustration. Building a strong portfolio is vital for showcasing your talent. Focus on creating diverse projects that highlight various design skills and styles. Actively seek constructive feedback on your work from peers or mentors. This is invaluable for growth. Participating in online design challenges can also push your creativity and add unique pieces to your collection. Connecting with the design community is incredibly beneficial. Join online forums and social media groups to network, share work, and get support. Follow leading design blogs and YouTube channels for continuous inspiration and learning new techniques. For structured learning, explore online courses from platforms such as Coursera or Skillshare, which offer comprehensive programs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.